Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to reset all settings on Windows 11 or 10. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to open the search bar and search for Reset This PC. Click on System, Recovery. And here we will have this option. Just click on Reset PC. And here we have two options. The first one is to remove the apps and the configuration of our PC, but the personal files will remain. This is the one I recommend. And the second one is to remove absolutely everything from our PC between configurations, apps, files, etc. That is to say, to have a totally new start. Just choose the one that suits your needs. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.